God spoke to me and said, maraming nag-aantay sa akin, ba't hindi nila alam ang inaantay ko sila para manalangin? Because our prayer fuels the fire of revival. Our prayer fuels the fire of apostolic revival. Prayer fuels the fire of apostolic revival. Now lift your hands and cry out to God. Not by might, nor by power, but by the Spirit of the living God. Ginawa niya na dati. Ginawa niya na dati. He will do it again. Tapos na ang first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, sixth wave. We are living in the greatest demonstration of God's power and glory. The greatest apostolic revival such as the world has never heard, seen, or experienced before. Now cry out to God.